We are posted up at the Morning Cars and Coffee by the lake. Look at this. This is Washington bonus right here. Your cars and coffee looks like this. Let's go check out some stuff. Homie in the dad van posted up out here. Very sad I no longer have a matching car to go along with his. Mike said these are the phone dial wheels because you basically just, you know, you ring them like an old school telephone.
Well, I haven't seen a clean 944 in so long.
Yo, he got the turbo fans on the STI. This is the first 992 GT3 I'm able to go see up close in person. I mean, these are just so cool, regardless of what you think on how they look or whatnot. I love the 992 mono lights. I love how aggressive this wing is.
I was gonna say this part.
I mean, I think anyone would think this is already a GT3 RS, just straight out the gate, and the fact that this isn't even the RS model and this is just how crazy blown they made the GT3 models is just wild. What the? And I guess he's cultured. Man, he for real has that sticker on here. This is a brand new 992 GT. All right.
I mean, it is a taxi.
It is a yellow taxi.
It is yellow taxi.
We can't ignore the V10 truck. This is, if any of you have been curious, this is a Dodge Ram with a Viper V10 engine in it. And no, it's not swapped or anything. These just existed. These were made back in the day. You even got the crew cab. Most of them are, you could get the two-door, which are even shorter and even more quicker and sportier. It's just like, we came from a time period where we had V10 trucks. Can we go back?
Yeah.
And like, brake clearance though. Holy cow. That's hella tight OEM brake clearance.
305 front, what are the rears?
No way. That is a 305 tire in the front. I don't think you guys can comprehend how unique that is, that you can have a front tire that freaking thick. This guy has a thicker tire in the front of his truck than you guys have on your freaking E92 M3s in the rear.
Hey, man. We also make 300 wheel torque.
What the hood doing? Oh wait, yeah, that's not even the... Where'd the engine go? You know, I swear, every single door style or hood style always has a name. What do you even call this?
A cooler.
That's so strange. I mean, it's a Skoda. Yeah, it's so adorable. It's a tiny little motor in the back of this thing.
It smells like old car too.
It's the Skoda GIS. I want to come up with an acronym for this.
GIS or GLS?
Get in.
GLS.
GLS. Oh, GLS? It's the GLS, it's the get lost, son.
Just sit on the trunk.
I'm not gonna sit on the trunk.
Well, do the same thing you did.
Alright, go.
There you go.
Yeah, I have to say, that one actually went pretty well. That was, you know, that wasn't that bad. Knowing if I'm ever coming in or out of the garage, I just gotta know if Dustin's gonna be home to help me.
Was this white last week? I can't.
Do the taste test. I mean, these are put under like every car, so this could have been from the Skyline years ago.
Yeah.
Any other 3 Nissan crap boxes. This was probably from the Skyline 2 at one point. I do in fact have the wheels. I've actually had the new wheels that we're putting on this car in the house for a while now. And I figured for this video, I would give you guys a little sneak peek, show you guys what we're gonna be putting on the car. That way, you know, you guys kind of understand what I've been hyping up and you'll see how good they look. And later on, we'll also do a test fit on the car and show you guys what it looks like there. Are they ready? Who knows? These are probably the most overhyped wheel reveal that I've ever done on this channel.
Such an original design.
It's so unique. But I'm mainly stoked to reveal these because this is gonna pretty much like reveal the main character element of this car and why this car will at least be something that I've always wanted to create. So without further ado, clearly we got some Enkeys, as you guys can see. One of you guys can do the honors. Oh, what Enkeys they gonna be? They are the Enkey TE37 OGs! Yeah, so for, for those of you who do not understand the sarcasm here, these are not Enkeys at all. These happen to be shipped in Enkey boxes because I actually found them off someone else in the country that happened to have these because these are super hard to find. But these are authentic 17-inch aggressive raised TE37 OGs in white. My dream has always been to create a white-on-white setup car. The Silvia Coupe is literally the perfect car for that. I mean, I would literally do this to the Skyline if I could, if it was white. That's always been one of my favorite R32 builds, the white-on-white TE37 Skylines out in Japan. But, I mean, an S13 Coupe shares the very similar body lines, and it's going to look just as clean when it's all done and set up on there. So we have the wheels, and then I also got brand new stickers for them, blue authentic stickers that you put on either side of the spokes. So those are going to go there, and all we got to do, basically, is get these wheels, get some tires, and get them plopped on the car. So rest in peace to the Model 5s, the Model 5s, for those of you who loved them. They're very cool, and I was very fortunate and lucky to have a car come on them, but I always knew white on white was the way to go with this car.
I'm excited.
Yeah, so it's gonna be sick. I swear, imagine if this one's just like a completely different wheel. So for the rears, we're going with the Enkey TE37s as well. This is definitely a square setup, and let me see back here. Yeah, 17 by 9. I just want to keep this a very clean street build with white on white wheels, slammed to the ground, OEM aero, so no crazy BN kit or big chassis wing or anything obnoxious like that. Just very clean stance. That's how Dad did it, that's how the Japanese did it, and it's worked out pretty well so far. We're gonna test fit the brand new OGs onto the S13 before we put tires on them, just to kind of spec out our fitment. But this will be the first time I'll see the white on white combo together.
If the car is higher than it is now during this test fit, Jack raised it. This is the correct height.
Actually, it's not. I feel like we need to go lower.
Dude, same.
I don't really like how this.
Oh, you got the flashlight, everything on it. Oh, dude, that fitment is A1.
It's
Wait till
rolled,
we
right?
jack it up, yeah.
Yeah,
Wait till
that's
we
actually
jack it up, it'll
that's
be
actually
fucking
Perfect.
Dude. Oh my god.
Those look really good too.
They don't even have the stickers or anything on them yet, so. Oh yeah, the 326 lugs.
Dude, that looks so good.
You need like chrome stickers like all over the place now.
That looks so
Hot boy
good.
livery. Nah, keep it clean.
Dude, chrome banner.
Okay, chrome banner would be fire, but I mean, that's what I want to do with the white though. Just keep it clean, white on white, not crazy. Literally the opposite of what we did with the S14. Just
This is a little bit more of a clap.
oh.
It just looks too good.
I've never been this hyped over just a wheel mount. Oh.
That's it. That's what it's gonna be.
Oh,
Man.
dude.
Go lower.
Oh, we can go.
It'll clear.
We can go
Yeah, it'll
way
definitely clear.
lower.
Oh, that looks so good. So Brennan, you're still an advocate for the Model 5s over those?
I mean, those look really good, but dude, just Model 5s look so good.
I don't know. It's really tough.
Those add so much more character to the car though.
I don't think they do. I think those do.
What? It's a basic split 5.
That's a basic 6-spoke. What's your?
You got me there on that one. Yeah, it is the most basic 6-spoke.
Yeah.
Dude, just right. Dude, even with the updated tails too, looks so much better. It's hard to convey on camera, but these things are freaking. This is just easy. One hand. These are like, I mean, because these are 17s too, so they're even smaller than most TEs are. But
I don't know.
those things are
Someone had me
freaking
pick
light.
up a 15-inch TE without a tire on it. It was pretty wacky.
Pretty heavy?
Wacky.
What does wacky mean?
Cause dude, it felt weightless.
Oh, you're saying like that's just even crazier?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, no, I'm sure a 15 inch is going to be even nuttier than a freaking 17. But it's just another reason on why you buy real. Because you get a wheel that light and it's freaking that strong.